Today I'm doing something a little bit unusual. I'm actually replacing a tennis coach with AI. This here is the Pongbot Pace S Pro, and according to the company, it's the world's first true AI tennis ball machine. Today, I'm putting that claim to the test. The idea is simple. Can this thing actually train like a real coach? Or is it just a really expensive way to chase tennis balls around the court? So I invited my 83-year-old father-in-law to come and test it out with me. Honestly, the best part of this whole experience was getting to hit balls side by side with him. So let's go and check it out. The first thing you'll notice when you roll this thing onto the court is that it doesn't look like your typical tennis ball machine. Most of the old school ones are basically ball cannons. You load them up, they fire balls at a set interval, and that's about it. Not to mention they're clunky. The Pace S Pro is a little different than that. This thing actually tracks your movement using a sensor and AI. It knows where you are on the court and waits for you to recover before firing the next ball. And that feature alone really changes everything. It's called recovery trigger, and instead of blasting balls at a fixed rhythm, the machine waits until you get back onto position before sending the next shot. This actually trains you in so many ways, which, sounds simple, but when you're actually hitting, it feels surprisingly human. Like right here, I hit a forehand, run back to center, and the machine literally waits for me to reset before launching the next ball. That's when it clicked for me. This isn't just feeding balls, it's reacting to what I do on the court. The tracking itself is pretty impressive too. The system samples movements at 100 times per second with less than 10 centimeters of accuracy. So it knows exactly where you are on the court with these multiple sensors. And apparently it's using all of that data to time the next shot. Now, once I got comfortable with the basic rally mode, it was time to make things a little more interesting. There's a feature called Match Challenge. That's where the AI starts getting competitive. Match Challenge is powered by over 10,000 real match data points, and the machine adjusts the difficulty based on your skill level. So instead of predictable feeds, the ball placement starts changing. Spins change, speeds change, actually up to 80 miles an hour, and suddenly it feels a lot more like a real rally with a coach. At one point, it hit me with a very heavy topspin shot to my backhand, and I'm pretty sure it just exposed my biggest weakness in tennis. I'm not saying that the machine is really judging me, but I feel like it's judging me. The Pace S Pro can fire balls up to 80 miles per hour and generate spins up to 60 rotations per second, which is honestly more than enough to challenge most players. Certainly was for me. And what's cool is how quickly it switches spins. It can change spin types in about a half second. So rallies feel unpredictable instead of robotic. But where things get really interesting is the training side of the system. Inside the app, there are more than 560 presets, drills designed by actual coaches. You can run footwork drills, forehand and backhand alterations, left, right movement patterns, placement drills, or you can build your own custom drill from scratch. You control the speed, spin, trajectory, and where the ball lands on the court if you want to, including the difficulty level. So if you want to practice attacking short balls, you can do that. If you want a brutal side-to-side cardio workout, you can definitely do that. If you want to lob, great. And if you want to rally and groove your strokes, it does that too. You can even have two people step in and hit alternating balls, or it'll randomize it like I'm doing here with my father-in-law. The more I used it, the more I realized something. This isn't just a ball machine. It's basically a training partner, and a pretty good one at that. Relentless, I would even say. There were moments where I started the session joking around, but after 10 minutes of drills, you start focusing and really dialing it in. Your footwork improves, your recovery improves, your consistency definitely improves, and suddenly you're actually training instead of just hitting balls. Another big advantage is the battery life. The Pace S Pro runs on a swappable battery that lasts over 8 hours, which means you can do real training sessions instead of constantly worrying about charging. That's a big deal if you're doing longer practices or sharing the machine with other players at the same time. Now let's talk about the big question. Can this replace a tennis coach? Honestly, not completely in my opinion. A great coach still brings strategy, technique, adjustment, and real-time feedback, but consistency, building match habits, this might be the smartest tennis ball machine that I've ever used. Okay, well, it's the only tennis ball machine that I've ever used, but I am blown away by this machine, and it makes me excited to start practicing tennis again. Because instead of just firing balls at me, it adapted to how I move and how I play. It really felt like it was learning me. So I'm impressed right off the bat, and that makes practice feel a lot like an actual match. Now, it was actually starting to get pretty hot and my cameras completely wimped out on me, but the Pace S Pro did not. In fact, by the end of this session, I was pretty exhausted, and I know that my father-in-law was as well, which I guess is really a good sign. I came out here to test the AI out in terms of it being able to be a great coach, and somehow it ended up testing me. So if you're serious about improving your tennis game and you want a training partner that never gets tired, the Pongbot Pace S Pro is definitely worth a look. Check the links in the description of this video here to learn more about it. And now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go ice my legs because apparently AI doesn't believe in any kind of rest days. Ow. Cramp. Cramp. Ah.